Please, Speed, I need this. My mom is kind of homeless. I live with my dad. I want to help her out.
Speed, I'm watching the stream while you try not to laugh, bro. That's disrespectful.
Hello guys, this is MORIIAT, voice over for however you say this name. I don't know why, but he sent me this tutorial to voice over for you guys, so let's get to it. So first things first, we're gonna go over here and install this plugin called Grid Warp. It's a plugin for Paint. There's downloads in the description, so just go down there and install it. The rest is self-explanatory. So the next thing you want to do is go over here and create a canvas, 1000 by 1000 pixels. And then you want to get this ellipse tool right here, around 30 pixels. Now, I know a lot of you are not the biggest fan of perfect circle country balls, which is why we're gonna warp it a little bit with the grid warp tool. It's pretty easy to use. Just go to the effects tab, click tools, and you'll find it right there. So after doing all of that, it should warp to the way you want it to. So the next thing they obviously need are eyeballs, because I mean, how else is it going to be a country ball? Obviously you need eyes. So you're going to make another 1000 by 1000 pixel canvas. Then select the ellipse tool, just like last time, color it black, and 15 pixels should work. It depends on what your style is, but they're using 15 pixels here. So after you're done doing that, you're going to want to fill in with the color white, and then follow the same technique that he did last time with coloring in the country balls. You just do a little dash like that. Now that we're finally done with this part, watch carefully, because we're going to go to this line tool right here, switch color to red or any other contrasting color, it really doesn't matter, and make a line like this. Now, I would explain more here, but I think it'd be more sufficient for you to just pay attention to what he's doing here. It's easy to understand. Now that you're hopefully finished making the eyeballs, let's move on to actually giving the country balls their flags. So we're going to start off with something very simple, a bicolor flag, which is basically a flag with two colors, pretty self-explanatory. All you gotta do is select the line tool here like we did last time, create a dash, it can be a perfectly straight line, it doesn't really matter. Then warp the flag however you want to, and color it in, and you're done. It's that easy. So the next thing we have is a tricolor. There's two types of tricolors. There's a vertical one and a horizontal one. I don't think much really has to be explained for this part, so just pay close attention to what he's doing and you'll get the jazz of it. And next is a vertical tricolor method. Just like last time, pay attention and you'll understand it.
And now that that's done, I hope you hopefully, I just hope you understand the basics of making country balls, and I'll see you next time. Peace.
Alright, bro. I just seen the file. I'm done recording the video.
Alright, bet. Thanks.
Wait, what the fuck? Wait, talk, bro?
Yeah, bruh, yeah.
Why'd you make me voice it if you could talk this whole time? Oh my, bro.
My bad.